Sending love to my motherland, a beautiful place in Africa. They love like a family, but please don't step out our toes now. We are the elephants. Oh yes, I know we can.
Beritual kara amet motu tutual tini wan watie ineno dwe parangwen de machel mwagali bario Pierre yo we beach ma inino ne mwaro chake ero to rion yo tutual an la wo ki watien chike ni an abitu sotu kakanya unulo ma ana belok lutua ene lo na lupe ki tele no pamero wajo no inyo kai wajo lo kata cha kere to berbe kai wajo ne lwen yan tuwa na do anga ko chimane enemy lo matele ni no no tie kon ke kwar me kwa petigi yeu e kom chik me dor nyo me yoko me racho ato ikiet ma uno neno chencha i buar me pongduo ukateo kama leng adong ati studio kakany ke omera chen ma en chen ki per tio nyao kere lo man fred ngam kwe en berno ki kom lo mer bet ikelo jamo Prera jeli
apo sal di ben
itini
ana ti happy new year.
Happy New Year too.
Neno wayne lañ mada
Miki bena neno
mabe.
Miki bena neno de tia tiara cho choke kongo le ko de tia wir mo mena ber padan yang.
Kira ada
Ayo. Apo editwal.
Apo yo.
Logo tuj mage ditwal ka kany ma ana damni in machalo dano mo pero kaluk loka ini matete olo nyot itiki ngech ngoma tika teme ni cheka wal karma ki kamaleng a chiek mo mero do payo megwa rodi yongela chen in bere no report ni gen bukati kun gi wachi gen bagitiki ngech lokati ngat mo ma ko biro pot ke magwa ko nyo penyo gi peka ana bitu in ke toni lokke en ka ko ni anda chao o pikila pen mo ken piane me achel anero chalo kini in no biro pi bere en kita taito no me ko tikere ne chalo lo enyi lo ba chore don ko mar gi fudda piano no eni gimaro mi ro be chao yakka ye gimaro mi ro bi no dara twingo be yom bi chakwe no da bi chao yakka e ko anyo akilo
ya idi bena koyo inyo la peñ mi wayni pierre tek toile pingo teams du menno la peñ ni ga wabero ki kero mi gamone ci terwa kanongo kama peruti ye wero wano kemme ki pero yupman o chake ma chiel ni gore mi pongduo piano time school sambeka mati pongduo gore eno no time magali ba chiel magali ba rio ki Pierre Rio wiadek magali ba rio ki Pierre Rio wiangwen ki kobo yubman utier yamur school makilone restore kama ni chake ni dwe Pierre Rio biro piru bor piru bungwen achulu beru kunu kanywa kotam kaleyu tam kaneno ginatima ikin jimi mauti mekuna yeke duago report ni mwaga chiel ma wabero ka yelle ka worre kien penye Jimmy ma wano no en Jimmy ma wano timo en ikin Jimmy ma ti duogo ye report ena yeni committee ma gen ki yubugi gen go kate ki chik eni malupe ki neno pa team ma gen go ribo chingi mineno kit mi rocho pajo go wajo ni chik en ni be obet chik madora chuli machalo kaka don ka team lok tika binu achulu wa ni irupe dun nono ana mer na chak ki maga alibario ki piera rio wi adek ikare ma ki chago yupo gore mi pongduo Rudy machalo institution madit loy ya chuli Rudy involvement go ber almost pe pien peki kelo Rudy at the forefront owe ko kirika yini chere sambeka bolo mao no kichoyo ni pa Rudy bolo ne chichoko bedu nono ruot gina wara ruot awaga pachuli ka ini tika tingo ruot mikelo ne yob mamegi iluo kimulo iluo kunne lobo protocol zoko duju manu wara ga ka ini choyo it ruot ichoyo mai chako ki title mamege kala wi Rudy ichako ki title mamege ni bot la wi Rudy la dit ruot David onen achana mi ario kirigi choyo kere chochen enuni oberogap ana miruni a white man
permit dongo dogi
yes
iwajo ni kichoyo kilogo ki title angere eni lok mapiap tek total manyore luo marocho pajo luo bor ruot onen David achana kichoyo kameo keje pagi kerla wirori ne
no anatika mio macharo la ball
okay
party very specific
okay
so ka yini neno gore mi pongduo the truth is Rudy pikiluogi kakiluogi tikiluogi using a wrong forum kauno ni ada watika neno machala chuli uno gore mi pongduo uno Rudy taking a lead ni imade neno anyim pa chuli piti mabe ikati kitami yini bine nywa ko ki ruot ka ruot don duru lu dano ne ni o jonne litino wow kelo lok em ukati unu kama leng wachiru wanyamu wano unu ka pielo ne mero kama gabo beriye wan eni duju wenki nywalo wakitek wa kigoro momekwa watweru beru ki nyechogo madit ero po watweru beru ki nyejuchu don wego phrase mukene ma chuli tiyu kede ni la garahil ki weri atek ki luak binu pien ripo ching piere tek ki wajo ni wich ka otora rio adek tamo matut loyo so meru gabo beru tie now look inu chero udugu piny
ma futpe dor lok mudugu piny luo kar enoni ka gok gabo beru tie chino gabo beru tie an ameti kong a basing kom laka chel mori iko ma chel me pongdo ono teleti ma ter da ikin la wirori ma chalo o nende vida chana ma ario ki ruot ma tiak ma lora pere ma pero no kid me ye no yere ni an bela wirori inyo saga eni kiro time kere
ya jomone manok guchiero guchungo wajene gi yero.
Yeah, all that. Now, actuality in confusion. In an chalo no rwate at that time, Mekelu, Jomagiti in confusion, you mapia kaman.
In any way, man beru wachini, la kumo madung kingi yuko kwiji ki ere auto. Chipa di kwero chiaro kalega. To me, na tamuni ena yino dong pa di beo yupe full me chiaro kalega. Pien gina funya ti kenyu. Uno kugu ma tiene kien la wirudi. Kien ki la wore. Ruot me atiak. Uno ka yopone enu. Ni luongi gubien. Ka gubieno. Ruoro bicha ko dongo vun. Keje ruoro be nyuru la bon mabe. Ni morochi o minne. Igwako ko minne. Pien ruot by default be nyuru la bon mabe. Kirika dong jemmi dong right nining ruoro be nyuru ni tielo tie. Look, tum ki tielo. Pigi tielo. Inyim dano. So mero beru gab. Now, madong kinge yoni lok eno ni oberu tie. Inge gore mi pongduo, ono be ki yup. Yo mo. Maki biru kede mi chipuruda rio ni ping. Ki fractions magiti kede. Mero puti me. Oweko ka yin wi po wano temo lokom dilemma mike kalkwar. Ana miyo na bole kom Akol Anthony, Mathieu MP. Ni Akol Anthony tika yele gire ni luong rodi. Ento utiute ma perte toile. Tiute ma perte toile. Meno ana be waji lokamati.
Ma bena leboro mo mate. Piano wa ne ki wa ne en wori chalo enanga.
Can I leave the issues of Gerald to Gerald? In private. So, man, Kiluwa, ilok mafia attack. Ni, kay nen one wabiru ki kero me identifying a problem. Nyo gap. We need to learn from it. Wala nining. Mi yelegi kero dujo mi sorting issues ayoni. Eto inoni lok matie ike ki weko mangat mo pimiro kemekere mati. En daro mano be gen gu kemeki lok mikeni gucha go citing o. Money citing ki fraction papire. Money citing ki kema diet pachuli. O weko karemo machala chuli wadugu nyapo. Wadugu goro. Lu rok neno. Lu me roko ma megwa gineno. Gino yo mi donyo. Ia chuli mitiyo mirigi. Pien goro neno. Religiono donyo ia chuli unono don ketie. Kegin madip. An keru pa chuli ti ke. Mamire neki gwok ke. Weka chulu beda chuli mada. Dong, piene ni gen gipego addressing issues only. Jono katiki program. Ikin program mago katikere. Era ye milimo. Kaka. Mapapat mati ya chuli. Ilimo kaka eno mapapat mati ya chuli ni. Gen go katiki tam ni. Kipego mado diyo wadatwale. Begi chochik. Ento manda gap ma an mera waji. Ni ino inge wot gini oweng no bedong guduk chien bo ruodi. Gubet ki ruodi ping. Ma chel gume report ki ruodi. Is by default ni be guti meno. Ngo madong gen gube timo mi meto keru i cultural institution. Kago duoko report ki ruodi dong be gubet keru mi penyo tampa ruodi. ka gunyo draft inyim ruodi ni ludirwa wanoni don kuwa yelu ero tijma wano tiyo kama wano iye bodjowu tamu kati kuman nenu ti kuman wego wakati ki chik eto enoni kilinge ye linyo iya chuli tiene tieba li iya chuli ti e church li iya chuli ti e chamo kene wekone ni wekdo uto kumenu tiene ti maduong pengo gen goli no begu ket ruodi piny ki lok ki ruodi ki wek ruodi jol ono bere pe bedo a crime mi wachone ni wan wachago chiro watamo ni wundo biro taking a lead chino be ene nino enu mi rocho pajo ni ruodi bino in good numbers ero gien gi taking a lead ka nyuto ngoma gien gi timo ka kelo nero pacholi ka wek ki jol di ben amiro wachini kai nen ke po jolo yub mi pong duo nyo rocho pajo tutwale chik magien go katekere. It's going to be a dilemma. It's going to be a dilemma. Anga machogo dano magiki ya choli kapike ke yela chok ikare malwen tiyo matek ya choli chamo kena winyi politicians okene walwenyu mada mikelo coach ento luchogo berutie luchogo eoni pingo wan po me recognizing him luchogo ni mukene uworo kitiengi madong en politicians okende obero nga pane de ngegi pien ngeyo ni ruri eni pigi twer timo gimo agwema wabi foyo gi ye loko kene winye liet eto julu kumenu piena dati ye kaga tek kite kwaro gi Buganda tek kite kwaro gi owego kirimati office madit nining kanino ne oromo makabago bino burogo piny kaka baga wuringe no ruko sud megwani mon wecha ko wor gawe achulo bolo la bol ni ogwala chielo balo wang pi Jimmy makuman uno Jimmy makake timo uno kelu roche ike kado nguru nyuru la nyut mabe ya irachuli utiyo kele ke be ojora ko ke jolo ki yum twin ke jolo ki ma ke nem bob eto man wilobo ngeyo ni actually tika yele mi rocho tekare ma megi eto go weko ruri wo rudi are not at the forefront ichanti la penyo kene malupe ki lok me don nyorocho actually ma kaki penyo ki rudi kono yini ruot mene wagina gama no peke gina gama peke pien piki keru ini beri iye nem di ben ka ini won gang loktie ikaka mamegu che piki luo in makun ini telo dugola pakwaru chicha mo kene beru tek total ki in mi chere lok enoni donc kadong in pe chere lok enoni donc beru tek total ki in mi beru ki ngej mu pong malupe ki lok enoni o weko kenyu gere ana neno watini o beru e gap en ni foot piti too late gap en ni foot ki tweru rochone mwaka puru chaga te puru ki chaga pura chaga dano weng make new year resolution new year resolution
look any gonya la penya mo kene ma no mir ana pin kere bori ma winyi chako gudune we ga duga mana ma fut pe chere o iketa no waram timo ne kere munyo kita kiram gonye ne fut kere ka ini nene ya chole kumbede ne ba furi waju na nene wachako woro rori wa wen cha nyu du it gi wara wene kin mano chalo kiro buja ini ne ka baka katika kar dan wengu penyi kumbere ene ruot ki yer kala mer boss make food na chalo ber matina madia el ber kar ki en ruot la wirodi nende bila chana now kadong ini neno wom bawara kom chalo tela meka meke itamni nga makubi ini dong ramlung chuli magora chuli ka waju pot kini yob ki kaman onyo gena kaman mo tem pen in ka tamne kubi ini ni chalo ruot la wirodi ruot payera onende vida chana mario itamne kubi en ramlung dan madan binu damne ki
there's no doubt about that. There's no doubt about that. Amiru wachini ichawa nika la wirodi ogoyo dur ka achulu bibino wano bero ki yubi ka underground foot kidu mapario en de yu pachuli ubere ka underground kama churu bero ka nyuto dir mapapa dir me miel teru jemi maduata la wirodi do duru yine ne am kiri ka underground oponkere kiri ka bedini jomo kene ma wangi yugi gubero ka lweny matek mi joko dano ne puchiru ne iye ka underground opong now lok mugo char pa boss mi gini ba menu loga bal karni wagamo ne be pemia pa boss mi biru ya ywe ama pori widana yokulu utim ko tembero ki wore kuone anga amado team no be wore wi logoni anga utim mero ni ende good tek dongin mako utim mero ngene en ke nyala kiri wan jomo kene ke nyala wani ki gogo wa goga katin wadon guri pachuli maditi woro ngoma eno be weke nge machalo legacy mamege nen kiri chani utimu ruwen kere kiri ena ye gogo dano gogo ine kindano ka kiri raj wenyu ine kindano unoti malo ichani tikwene in the music industry chani tikwene so mero gok lebe mege madong ngoro be na moy kenda bon yeni mero kon ogok kuri lebe noni woro piere tek iyet gi moy ken biru enu kon gi mo biru ngumu wayo ci logo gi moy ken kono non kok la chien kono be paro you don't know but kuri dano oni be beru tie pien wai kin le tieno marubano chweyogi ngara chero logo wiyo ene tin waluone chatamni so kuri dano oni beru tie ero le total ki wan machala chuli ika watika roche watika temo loko te kare mamegwa ci dano makumenu beru ka kate ke leb marajo chawa weng lepe ni wale tieno winyu wale diru winyu ngoma de miero ni le tieno dongo donkere tieno don ene kuri lepe noni tieno don kun gingeni dano makumenu bena yete is wrong. That is very wrong. Pedon pakaka machala chuli enoni is wrong. And it has to stop. Someone should be there to stop this young man. And mind you, he's not a young boy now. He's not a youth.
Okay.
Di rubedo kerubiyo.
Mor bere chala bol ma mera mio malupe ki kitano chalo ke ma megwa waro tikere enarwe da tamni kumbiri ni macharo in mano itie kineno kum jami dujule en machada teme ka wek ni kumbiri enini don ke kwaro bere gubet kimok ni ada chike ini ba piane ke ba ba chike en matin non kateni en jo luang ruri okay in ngene lu diru ka luang ruri we magiti doka
yes
Ayo, so chieke enini polle ukati ikachoke mano inino ne luwanguri machala wikara kidong yo mogo mano giberu I cancel parwuri meka ber money ene beru peny mai wini ni ka ber money maka chiarie no ruot palaro beru tie kamon ka ogi chiare no ruot ko beru tie kamon maka chiare no ruot kamon tie Pangeo Kakamadung wero Woody Nano Charlie Wachi, they were left out completely out of this. You don't Kawa Kawa Terka Nano Giatima, Itamne could be done around Timon at this particular time. Pen is a good document.
Apo, Anamerona Lokario, Yanoli. Ma chill, Ben, Ameroni eating any. Joma unity ga wachune ni lo dirukaka aye tie lo wangrudi chamo kene be peti lo gada pien neno lok parwot ruot timu gen makiloni delegation ruot delegating in mechero kati uti money ka yini duoko report borre simple protocol ka yini wa ni penni lo diru kaka egoni duchu makibero karwate kwet gini jo adi mo chero chibo ruot ma megi piny ka duoko ire report chamo kene bi nori pe nyo nok totwal menu gap ineno bajar kainen gap tie ba waye ne gap tie gin maraj dong raj ti ena yi watwero lwenyi iye now weko katien ruodi gi kati kama leng ka kogo gini ti jini wingya Kogo enoni ti jini wing kinem dong way forward to be way forward ayengo
yeah an party kwe elok ni wuri gwanyo pepe gwake kogo gini ti maraj wuri ikip na jem merte makere kirka cheno pelo kayo atma mege jem keno merbe katime chalo wot magi wor chaine ni yo ngela chen en kitai wajani no mere odo ki doctor gi mi report eno ni it's very correct and it's very okay with me eto ka ini wachi penwi bene wuri ku berka gore fundings beno beru tie bor wuri ku timo gerango wuri ku berka timo gerango kita dong mir delegation a ki bor gini yen ku berka timo gerango Pieringe ba ja
wuri ku berka timo gerango
pen Fred iringe ma bani kinene wa even decentralization ini team decentralization at university ko bottom up approach right now is the best pen in pen gen gangacha so mir kimi ni what
kadong in karuot do dugo ruot ma kero irewe wang or ka winyo lok ma ki logo woko lok pajirani ruot eni dugo ruot do nakanen ana weti ya chefineni lok ma binu bor ruot ki weko bin in a way ma ti jino wi ma nyuru keru ma weko ruot beru ka waka piwa wek ruoro beda winyo lok ki wang ot eni weko ruote beru goro ruot ki ting lok ki keru bore kangiyo iye kadoke iye kama lokati iye eno dong ngoma ki twero timone
ene an pa twero eto whatever ruor mir nge pero mati I adole nerwe mi awachi yerte ko ne ki ting ruot ki ting lok ki tel bor ruot ite nene monyor ka jal kete amira mila bolle ki chalo kaha egena ruot keme kota tikka ke mapat maramo gen pierre ber wi abichel donc ka chenen lu diru ka egoni ka chele chel gen gubinu katir lok ma megi bor ruot ma megi ike no right
no pira ka gotimo
eyo
ka gotimo ba chino beya mai isya yani pino gotimo ineno we pino gotimo kidong mario diben ina choli kugu mati ya choli ichawa no wego wan machala choli wadugo gor twan wadugo gor pien pi wano ripe pien wano deleting woro kikuoma mekwa pien wano chawa ni watamo ni la rok be loyo meki wa wega chuli rinyo chero mako ching la rok wego mien neka derno chap enu ni no kira chuli ku achuli no gak achuli muchwiny makaki wayana achuli muchwiny na achuli mamare achuli maribu ching achuli manena nying kama koko watiye eno ni warweny
okay
dong wabiti yuko gak ma warweny Jimmy be onoke
yeah
wego my way forward in this matter is ni machen pretty late lo dirwa magien gu kemeki lok me rocho paju furgiti ki kare me cherro ka tipo ruodi piny beru kwetki kelu lok botki yo mamul nyamone ka chiel ki gien wek kun yang yini ni lok kau a ki bot in kiene ma o bot ngat ma pa no loko loke gien gute first hand information for ruodi is not a crime kono in mwagani diet ning kono rumi miti diet ning is not a crime me kwa yokija ni a obale di makija is not instead kwa yokija meru keru weki gak manu unitek dano wuri ni nenu wangari munyo ubiru kwa yokija piane ni no rojo manok
okay
buben lok mi rocho paju uberu lok mamero kinyam merwa nyonguni wang o kan pien ti jimi mukene mawanu neno pitiga kare tiji mukene mawanu ngeyuni kaki timu la kiremoni chubi kila loga ti trend ma chuli chawani dongu gutange iye makin mitingo gi midwoko gi main road
bayo
miru kuri tam kitich money tam eni an pato ero bedo kede weng ero ka waribu wunu wiwa ka achiel minyamo la penja achiel ariyo mo ti wano bi kati gi tam eni mano tam eni ubi kela loga ya chuli piny right nene chawani ka waja kwen ni jima big man to ya chuli has become normal wanta karcha kadano to liti eno pigi ye chero kama liel tiye eri chawani kagi wai chambi ter kum liel doibu angage matelo yo liti eno matieno ujiba ngo mare tieno tiga dokere liti eno hiki telo yo kai wai ni dano chero dang ki buti itemo yeme kwija jombi chako ngwek machel liti eno ni is wrong Mario nek minne kume dano kwanyo kwa ke kumeni has become a normal thing here actually. And besides, they thought in direct you have forgotten. Actually, Negola Woro, no, Tiene Bene Peke. Nek has become common. A way more machuno be better gonya, Magi Woro freely, Chamo can kidikar no di warone. Madak Pemiat any betki security guard igani where a core manetina gonya. But war dano waju loka war ni ani chana ti wi elden kan penyete elden kan chernen liti na nyera buchu anyera magiti mwaga pa ki wiye era ye gen gorie kachate yinyu cho mukene tigitian lok matiti nyukelo en ka yinyu kena kumeno mukene watien loke bepe liti na nyera ti marota matujai gin mano pino tie kirachuli ena yele kien go chao kansa
la tek man ma ke maro ki ma kirwa yin Fred ke ra mar la tek ke nye bene tie ma tek dong ene raj bene
liep marun konye bepe shisha gingo gino ki rubono ki jai litieno ti drugs ma pigi twero ki iye mi angwen di ben lokum yorukum actually is alarming. It's really alarming. Kani niro mo kitu magitimo census ono gipima chudi ko weng tuo jonyo hepatitis B cancer tuo mukene ma tika yelo dano kibeno na chudi tiba raj madong konye bepe anyim wadong tikwene katiem komwa piyot anyim watikwene anyim pere look at positive living meron may choko twin positive living mo pe ngat matiki tuo bangi ya tini diri ne po bibero be adame pitiyo mabe gili ne ma yero to
timu ke mama be ko ne manongani e bito e wera
exactly nen ko dibera mer mini la bol mo mati very sarcastic actually no kichi mutok dano mono wajo ni stigmatization mono bienu doye lokum stigmatization madon konye bepe ero aramiro wetini e kare mano stigmatization tila mali actually ono read mi kobo patupe tino la pin totwan ingeo pingo because in a village looking ngeo ni ochi tikichilin akele tikichilin kingeo kyo wen kiloko be komgi okay fine on the angle of human rights is not okay. Eto at the end of it call no daro wen duorogi read me kopo tuo unope ero madong activists dong go chako dong lwen kigik lok mechi mutok majo chako me kipin ichane majo mocho it's alarming achuriti maraja achurito tumo ena giwa kaka pitume we kama wa oi yeni watima raj madong konye bepe nen leti an wakagi tiga ngwechi pire ngeya tini ena yeti body mi pire gina gepe no berawia dep kit det moma kado poro ke choka mikelo ne oria
an ko neno beru gine beru mene we mer kwar chere we pire na deg marach
an nya do beru me non petit kay be berati pire we itia ko yene mi odio kay merati so pero mado kadwa idu duom
ngol ngure dong
kidong ma gikene di ben chan ti ya chole ba ena dano wajo ni chan ti ya chole amira mi live example by do Mario na chole tiga koko kuon ene pien ichawan kayini chere kien pen kitidong ka chata nyogi kila chel chiling aliba cheli 100 liba cheli 100 eni fudwe ma chel di ben kwantika bino middlemen go be bino ka manipulating the market kibi yuera nyugi ko wen achuri ko kai nan tiene mon tiegi yuer ki mo wengi charo wen no wadiri gina be gi cham no pe kuon is going to be a problem quality pa full mati actually kum kane it's very poor awuro ka maduong dane wen loka chel full guarantee full wen dogi pingo full ti dogi
we la bolle bene an amar mur full na tek a will full na chalor wang maram wa de puri duele man mo ka eni a will full ka
wen dogi full my actually wen dogi means of preserving cham and na iwinu actually wajani food security actually be obede there me go cham gini is not going to be there muranga pe will muranga be cher ko malu actually pe wagi chene me will peke wagi chene me will alors me pin mu were chawani ineno wa Muyeme futa chako tura ni is going to be a problem. Bien ka yini nena ya chuli uno Muyeme chalo waro ngene ya tiak bay tum do Mario no Muyeme do chako katio kidgum bay tum do Mario no Muyeme chako katio wachamo mai ya tiak wachamo mai kidgum kadong maka mokene ni dong chako dong che letiro dugu iweyo mita ma chele do ma beach no gina chama tie gina chama ni Muyeme eto iwangi Muyeme futie fut kachako turu fura chaka alors me penye mono actually ready mi keme kwede hangi yo ka actually atayara mi keme ke penye lipe ko biru chueyo an kot katika chue yelu kiti nya yatbe o nyakere actually confused yembe ti confused penye awe mabe chak turu kere pien alors me penyo biru o moyo gio wan kawatika neno kit mirojo paju miro wanero hunu from a very open angle by even neno gin matiri loyo jere la bole loka yen en may wija tika dok pierre Muyeme gini they look minor era miro wachini ticket money bire duma bija bichel Muyeme jinu maron konye bepe pierre duwe e piti chamo ya churi manoge kwanyo mapate bo
kakare
dama cha Muyeme giko kere kadong tuki teiri no anyugi no chako no che muranga no chako no che ichako kwanyo pool ko dong chako mete school tika chaka in the next 2 weeks no leti ano chak doke school chene pe bondo nyoro ka wen ko wakiti bebe chaka de bebi ngeyu itao chi kan wen roma itao kuja wen roma ero to tika biro me chok jui am to ne bere tuki kwanyo dong jimi ki chi ma dong konye bepe
yeah
yen to chalo bot wakan kai nen liel tie liel pong kit pong moma ero pong ene wego badene wi wun wegi liel nyo wegi to meru wen tika kwanyo kero ki chingdano nyo mukele ni nyo mu binu kikir dai lema moma dong konye bepe kore yub mo de bi pati mi ci ambi chele tika toto chente ki ching dano madong konye bepe inoni la nyum no yeko biro ki miliona de khali mia biche mone merne kenye be donyo ba kenye be donyo kiti yobo pati mi million tiara de lo rem nong be o jogi famni dong be o jogi ambere pangari kitimo kuman ambe mega bebe kitimo meno tugu dong machalo piem kadong pide timo dong kiline timo pala woreni dong ini dugu dong lamone so all these complexities Miroka wabineno wanen from a very very truthful angle ka weki kon kaka wakeru munu ke hotel yo ke maki chayo ene ke tiki la pi pacholi ke tiki duon maki winyu ke ena yetela pacholi ke woke ke make ki wot ka chel ki ke we ha nyim pacholo betie we ke wo acholi we walu rok la wido magi ku beti luoro ni no cha waro receiving one of the members of the P Square obiru giter ganke ko ineno jol make jone kere o dok kawaga awaga ene pe no iteng yo awaga ene no ke kaka maki rojo kaka mabe ke rojo gu kwa kija ero kija yin petwer danga da manu na wuri pinen ya kija ke kwa yuno kiberu ka chel kongdum kibet kong ka chel tim mirojo paju gu binu rwate ki ke we kaka mangara chelu rojo gu kwa kija chiki rit king ka chel kija wot ka chel
takar
look mo ne mi ko look me la wi wori gi ngo gini ne ta awa ni ya mo biro bayo ya mo do bayo there's even nothing to talk about completely nothing
but in your mind your time bomb robert a time bomb ne mo mo te
yeah it's possible but you tool be ka yire go wiye ibe be no foot pa ip tool pe ta ne tool tigi ko ko me I'm sorry to say this but ip tool and me ma foot me en pe ta ne ko tie bada to er biro ga tongo dano
fodo ibe ni ka ngato ner ma po ni ange wiye ki go riyo mo tor tiene no da
ka wa bol mo mere to riyo ci don ga na ibe di for ni ko dano do
fair comment duanda da ma mer ki gamo but you know kere ma metic wallo ye it's just a very simple one piano da ka wana rotumo so mire igamo me ka twer bene kika po da ke ka chel ini pero chuchak ike kwa yu bango ma no ke kwa chole tikere pero chopajo kong ma fut piano rocho pajo le ere po piano no la dit CJ ka chel gino mena ambassador no gen getatim piano
okay ke ubero kaneno dok me rocho pajo from a very wide angle ma chel lwen mutime ya chole ni wero pero ba dit totwan ikine watigile tieno wa makare duchu ka go chiero ka tichali porro go chiero ka tweyo yen giromo kichugo le tieno rinyo wigi baleo there are hundreds of examples egoni wero keu katiki gin makiluoni moyo chere the cleansing ceremony kama dul maduong mapegi jenge kum gamente kachiel ki gamente gumiyo kony kike michero ka moyo chere we kamenen kino ye chogo ke chogo ki iro kum kimiyo irewor chikuchu kiduku kenyo ikine kinego romo machalo gitum nyukinego diel machalo gitum pien achuli tiyu kimenu kagi bago doggi botibu ni wanong wan fudwa ko kar cha oberu kwedwa wangeyo ni do peke kinywa bene piru pe won walego no mi irwa gum o wek bene wa bet wek wa jul kaka achuli bago doggi kati uti menu beru kati me mapat ki enoni ke uberu karipo kindano so many reconciliation projects otime and activities otime actually makea ye taking a lead ke uberu ka joro le tieno wa maguberu ka dugu kilum makare duchu ka le tieno dugu kitero gi through processes mukene nyono tongweno mukene process mukene mano wego gien dokkan ki jologi meru gina ke uberu ka timone ke uberu ka wot mineno neni kare duchu kay nem kama kinone la tien mone aki iye ke woro kwedge gi cer ka reuniting la tien eno ni family mamegi ke uberu ka timo meno ke uberu ka choko kaka mukene magitino ki akeme kuma chuli miriyo tal kwedge ke ugomo tong kelao karma lao gitamo no ni achule yino tino ka lweny ne kum langi pe lweny en pa LRA ke uchero ka mato put ki West Nile malupe ki gin mutime yu bore tu ki the overthrow of a meal ke uchero ka mato put ki West Nile malupe ki lokum LRA ki ngoma gen gotimo I but West Nile mukene ke uti teach ma ki kwano ki loke iye ke no dong ti dong ka dire mineno neni watimu wunu dong ni ning ki kel dano chatano donyo
chatano ena
ngelo lweny mo chatano en wunano udonyo mecha okelo lweny mo mano tiro wego ke tikiko
yewe
nena rojo pajo pe dong ka dong rojo pajo do bien rojo pajo no dong be obien ti dong otiel ko ke ye
ayo
yaki wot mabe ana poyo
apoyo ngere wan kiro mir pur ko wala ka to dong cha wane otuma lu tua ne no dong waro ni cha wane otuma era ngere lo ke miet ne no zela tika kanya no ya lo go fo ma tek champion pur ngere gen ko bera lar da la wo ma tek tal ya mo ten abera ti ko ge la wo
la tida na gar ta ko ne pe
well, Aquative is the only reason why I'm famous. Okay, thanks Aquative for raising my talent. Kirika perichi amina berongo arkinini. Barangeni olotoe karmoni
one book perio krio
no chama matek mere. Yes, Aaron don't take away. Not matie ka kelo aruba ye timbers man lock man. Yeah. Zele champion Tigawani, I know that honorable well. Big up to him. Okay.
Zele.
Yes. Shelton James Oko Tigawani. The good ideas that Ambassador Larotuno and Chief Justice Alfonso Windolo are doing is not against Kekwa actually. Let's not mix our thoughts. Why don't Woody attend then the correct matters? Okay, Mono Muka take you but Shelton. Let me ask Fred. If you find that water, do you drink because it is water? You look for other clean water.
Clean source.
Yeah, clean sources. Yeah, there is already faction. So should we wait? Waste time on correction? Yet we want to move forward. Man, la peña bien fuere.
Yeah, la peña na gam.
Okay.
Na gam.
Okay. This is now very important. Alex, la peña la peña because people are in the dilemma. And I think this is where involvement Paruri became confusing from Roger Pajo's side. In that way, like we wrote actually, that's a very very good question.
Then when I am being confused, you know, look up
No, we may have the information, trust me. All right, but cut down to the when you come in, that is the issue. It can gang.
You are right, but
yes.
Amiro Alex Ungeni la wiruri pachula ye Ruot David onena chana me ario la wiruri pachuli eno.
Okay.
There was no convention in Kenya. La wiruri cheri ye. Miro pedak bewa mi la burla duomo twalia.
Okay. Nyero sana tiga wani Rocho Pajo is majorly an ideal strategy to rebuild and restructure Deo Pacholi, including Ludiruke, and this is the perfect time for both Lawirodi. They must accept cause actually did loyal care. That is love.
Yeah, actually did loyal care.
Yeah. We must. I think we may recall yeah. Skidong Araba Tigawani, a great conversation, my brothers. I have a question. One, who makes Erwa? Is it the people of a particular clan, or it is by birth? What is the differences between Rocho Pajo and Dongo Pajo?
Okay, Amiru Chakoki, the last one. Rocho means Unodong Tiepian. Rocho is actually rehabilitating. In any way, Rocho is rehabilitating. La bole yene ka Rocho or ka ka rehabilitating or enoni. Dongo Pajo ena ye process of growth ya. Keep me weko Pajo udu gin mamio. Gin matie kum chobo lek ma megi neno ma megi yo mi kwan yo mi lonyo yo mi pu there are so many questions ma wa mi okenyo so en lok mi rocho pajuni ena ye obiro pien mado bale ne dong duong watimu ngono ni warojo ngono we go do jim ma we go the lost glory uduk chien to life.
Yeah, that is good. Kadang Irene Atios, Yela, what's your name? Rodi has failed to do what Dr. Olara Otuno and Chief Justice Owindolo are doing. I think that is the yeah. Kidong Man Daniel, Dr. Tigawaini, good evening, everyone. It is so alarming to us, actually. I can see in cultural leadership, it's full with political status and than cultural spirit or Abila. I wonder why culture is like that. I wonder why culture is like that.
Question pa doctor ene. Mero the whole discussion. Kien ke bene macharo ke tiki goro.
Yeah.
Ke macharo ke tiki goro. Watiki ke mo kene mo bieno pe moni. Miri pagamente neno pa code. Okay do bene ke mo kene. Don't wego is the whole discussion mamete niki kidori ye. Wego tintike mo kene mai nono tino ki ruora rio. Ruora chiel mano tieno ruor mano tino ki mai come. Ruora chiel tie mano ruor mo mano doge tek full mano wa mo be pe come. You know. So there are a lot of issues matie ke mamete niki dok kubet kaneno ne where kichak facing kichak neno kit me yopone.
Yeah. Araba Tigawani can actually, as a people in their respective clan, restore the pride of their word. Collectively, can actually institute and re-empower Rodi through joining hands as a people to restore our pride as a Choli man in La Peña.
That is very ideal. That is actually what should have been there. Gimano bag team enu, and kawa doctrine a clan level, ba kitima la dit enu katiki lock ene. That is the only way we can get back the lost glory. Mada kwa beru no kawaka iye. Kien at clan level, ibi noni kara money la bole kara tema jo. No kara ma dit gere no pidit tuan. Pidit loyo ke iti nanawe. So kaka chela gen gucharo behaving, gucharo teach, gucharo katiki neno mamio. Tinero ke dugoten. Ke ki konya ke ki mago ting. Ka we ki bet ka wara kome.
Now, what you man my word marocho payo berga word kere kun gerwato ki diro kaka kachel ki ruori ti ya duola lego ni ya o karmo madono schedule no tima tek to twal ma in kai tika mero dul man men rocho payo ni bien bori no cham do tek to twal bot rocho payo me bien o karwata ki karachele ken kun no ka mo kene bene chiu no cham ko ki tar wigio ka chele ma ben ikon tar wigini buri oberitie now padange o kamagar be pian ruru oberitie now kadong gini ini benote me, don't you think that was already a way of comparing because
Ben wang yet ka don ke yobu matika mola beba. Pera ke kel yugi onye ye. Tugo. Ana ka nena wechi kama goro berutie ye. I visit enoni. Kongdong wajuro goro enoni. Weki huot ke chera nyim.
Okay. Ayela dong kupo doglo kama na neo remi yoni. Kono wajini Rudy has failed to do what Dr. Lara Tono and Chief Justice Incholo has achieved to do with Roger Paju man enini. Nanen bekewa bione kana ologe kakare. Kidong.
Yeah, nenu pujena pa. Ana mera dogi nenu pujena be. Ero ingeyo. Kien madip ma wadong kere. Ma era yidong tech lawyer era the implementation of nenu ketam mirocho paju. Actually is dissected. Watiki group money magitio manu. Era ye group money manu dong jomadom mara gidong chano piera bichel kiwie dokere manu. Watiki group money mati diere. Piera ngwero dugu tere pin eni. Kidong wati dong ki group money mati pin. Any group money me below 20. Joario and constitute the biggest population, which is more than 80% over Chile. And any kama pep to the year. Kamadung gor pa Chile went to nene year. Kamadung peko ma deep loyo ma Chile tikere tika nene year. Unless groups are real enemy, ma pinky ma idierni. Kikelugi to understand no maneno pa Chile year. It's not going to be easy. It's not. Nakanena mio la bul mukene ngo matika time district kanyu. Amio la bul dok minnek makene ko danata. La bul tima duong. Litina chana go chako leba chuli ma wa in bene penyang. Kay way correcting bien food ginuoyo. Pingo wa chere kudu. Kid loka ngo enoni. Where is the joining word? Actually, leba chuli mo tima ge way ni pingo wa chere kudu. Actually, why don't we pingo pi wa chere kudu? Why don't we go to the well? Pingo pi wa chere kudu. Ere noni walo di rodonye. Pingo wow. Pingo wa chamo. This is so annoying. It's really annoying.
Yeah.
Pian watika we give maratika dugo ikwa and wajolo.
Yeah.
That is wrong.
Yeah. Comment to donga kan waring ke wigia la balpin Richard Baton tika wani one actually melamogi wadegi kati kilok menyuano kaka apere one wangeo tie wampam parwat atiak pian kum ruat ono didi tele miu kiwek lok patiak gara lok patiak gara chako tela apere iwi ma and per word. Okay, like and per word according to me.
No verify dogi jara ye.
Okay, kidong nyero Sunday tiga wani bro. Don't blame Oti. We all know that there was a loophole in Kekwaro, and it is not only Otim. Everyone knows this. Rudy should get along with Roche Payo and unite. It is not about a team, it is about them.
No, see,
not to go back to that issue, but Enini should add more again a light to question manana wachini nero padano ke war padano ke tini neno. That is something we shall have to come back.
But you see, Ben, actually, what you need, come menu beru marai. Yin pire tu dong kidanga ni ma bin ma be. No, piti mo kumeno. I juga ki yo no waro. Kama ko na ti enu ya. Kidi watimo kede jimi pinyuru waro.
Kakara Daniel Tigawani, I wish to request actually leaders should visit another cultural family in South Sudan when also behaving like that, so that they make a copyrighted. Like we have not, we have.
You don't need to be pulling ropes.
Exactly. We should not be pulling ropes. Yeah, I think that's a very, very genuine idea. So, Shelton James, when Rodi were in their fight, we attended the first Rochapajo, and we concluded that it would carry on forever. And now we are moving forward, and our agenda is uniting them to fight Rochapajo. Okay, Araba, as a people, we can reinstitute and empower
our traditional leadership.
Exactly, with educated and legal advice to coordinate all other sectors, including coordinating central government activities. That is it.
That is right. I buy that idea.
I do. You know, the different account if Windolo and Olaratono did not spearhead Rochapajo, what would have been the scenario, the status quo? But
I would literally think, la pen money kau no pino gitero guana karama no be beru ni achiel karama be beru tie actually a lot, yes, karama beru tie a lot ter dana nyim kamano kero pe actually yele ologin gi kero gi mo manoke keno gichamo bene no gi punyo donyo be kum gino maber actually nyoite ruodi unogo be beru ke kero mi mede gi programs mamegi. It would be slow and chamo keneno would be more effective. But madong rocho pajodo bino. To me, that is a big backup to ngomano dong ruri dong sidong katimone. And that's why I am crying ni kitimbe, let this implementation be very comprehensive. For we uno sector more woro. Where kururi woro is a huge dilemma to actually.
Rodi has to sort themselves, because right now politicians or elders cannot be seen siding with both Lawi Rodi, since there are two camps. Yeah, there are people to be sincere. To be sincere, people are trying to be smart. Premier kingene tila kumbere premier kingene tila kuchelu umi obekiri wa luona kinene chibu keno be luona be wai pe luona madane luona madetene so grao kwanyu mone grao kwanyu ruot ki patia grao kwanyu ruot ki gere ki pajure no like we put on the madane chane
Depend.
It's there.
Ana maro lopoko lok maruri logo ba igori muken katika logo ini winyo ni enachuli tika logo duana chuli logo miri pachuli logo nenu pachuli atamu ni meru jima beri woro beta tiyo nenu owe ko enfuri lok egoni ila kwe TV meru cha mukene kuchiat down we en lok egoni cha kong kwanyo gi ibet kong ka playing kidano. This might also help to change people's thinking. Nila did what anything a locoman. I did what anything a locoman. Take good in ning. Obi konyo tutwan. Pian wano lobo ba. Wa lobo lo. Wa wek jomo kene who are very dramatic in lok mamegi. But till lok magi logo pi actually ma you really feel me. Yes. Wano tikanyo.
Okay, Dr. Tiawani, let them look for a financial.
What money you're skipping money big one,
huh?
Money skipping a big one.
Okay, really? Oh yes. Oh yes.
La Balpain.
Ladir La Balpain, Richard Barton Tiawani. Appear is not the real chief of attack. If actually needs real change, we must stop putting chairman as a chief. Appear should not confuse us. Any, we met lock madong kawe lock matut kawe no mock kawe tie.
Mero jatiaga yegamo.
More jatiaga yegu kate ke lock. Yes. Daniel Tigawani, let them look for a final solution so that Team Charo we actually to Mabe. Cause Mio Gara ikom one mater. Igang kaluloki kaloloke waktimu gimani apoy matek then ba woku yeah I think no loloke yang
lurok minyu rok tonyo
yeah. So and then seeking the will of Heavenly Father. Tigawani, greetings to everyone that did the band. We should accept the fact that Rodi failed to play their roles in the constructive development and of the actual community. Mono any lock mommy one way ye. I win none ben my bay way I actually agree. Araba watching throwing stones at who has done or fails to do will not take us anywhere. We have to come together as a people by empowering, giving opinion, and helping really to help us become better in all.
I agree to that.
Yeah. You know why? Lastly, what makes you actually? It is how well educated you are, your money, exposure, or your traditions. As actually, we are fighting because we have diverted from who we are. Let's empower our true essence. Man, love.
Our tradition as actually is what makes us actually. It's not the education, it's not the wealth, it's not the money we have. Let us go and understand the 4 pillars of life.
Yeah.
We war beru at the forefront. Ka war tie ma beru tie winye beru tie lonyo be biro.
I appeal that Rodi should invite leaders who have shown interest in Rochacholi, and guide them accordingly. Instead, Rodi should not bring their differences in the development of their people. James Ogwera, Tiga Wachini, Omera, Yin Marach, actually, Matuka. Mon kichor duchu marumat mape giparo pidiri enuni dongach to mowang kidong. I think we should also tackle one day ngomatiga kilomat marajuli in it. So that we us gonna end those things, the causes. Kidong nyero sande tiga wani never underestimate the wrangles in Kekwaro. It may seem simple, but it's really getting people lost. Besides, there was official opening of another Kekwaro office today. Rodi must have a dialogue. Man, yeah, kidong swale osin tiga wani lock. Matwong mabe any come lock it won't qual. Araba mete benekon watching the guest has said it all. Let it Ben. Let actually restore faith and power in Kekwaro. Everything else will fall in place. Yeah. Kidong Jesse Achantigawashi, I would like to find out this information. Moving forward is honorable saying Wirodi will always be David Onena Chana Mario, or will he be voted out in future? What is the structure? In Iraq, come on.
Wirodi actually peki bibero ka yerne charo tampa kolgi madong 2026 dong ga yope dong mi bieno ka PMA. Apparently actually tikila Wirodi gi makiluoni ruot David Nena Chana Mario kare biromo ikiti marudi gen gitiyo kere gen gibika teke duon onyoka rubao tiyo mamege okwanyo eno kirikarja okwanyo wone ngad mokene biro into play beru macharo la Wirodi kare ma wone oto ruot lugai o acting macharo la Wirodi kare manong ki wiro en obino kitiyo ke duoge wiye ni mete ki doro tich mamegi macharo la Wirodi trend ego ni mero wa following mero wa maro mero wa woro laro jimi manok matiano eno wega cholo dugo nyapo nen wano gure wuno on the street kaloko jimi mapi weko wano don iponi chiyo porro e dog guy burdiki da emo man politics teacher ke ko padano no lokeo fukchon bini town dogo tiro na bon piera biji tien le tieno be ocham lok mi yoro ko mete lok mi kwan mete jimi ne duata actually ye mi ballo chawa ne katimu gin mapi konyo an bunyo da kere maka ini penyo at the end of the day ni kongde mi accountability ni pitim actually pay ki gina waja actually be odo actually ma miyo accountability pineno duchu mi ko ma megi ni kudiku achu atibu gina kuman ameta timu gina kuman cha bora timu gina kuman accountability eno ero pecha wacho neni jal tindo ber gwa full by cha che no da meo that is wrong accountability the pay waje kendano kien awaka pay ye ko tira maro kan ariolo ero ne awaka pay ye give something which is positive.
Okay, Shelton James Okotika, my appreciation to Fred. I still see light of head if we go back under the leadership of our Rodi. However, there are some actually who are out there in the government and they don't want to bend low to anyone. Ya tamne ngata tiput kama ene no pengeo ngama emir lo ni. Okay, happiness trigger wajane nyi achiele gara teka. Happiness trigger wani rocho pajo has gone over their heads. No bylaws can be implemented without Rodi. Yeah, you know what? La Palpin, you are right. You are out of your mind. Oh, sorry. Are you crazy? You get your facts straight. I don't know La Palpin that winning. All right. La Palpin was a lock man. I think. Oh, lock up here. I think lock up here. Okay, lock up here. Money one poor don't you? Why man look?
Moving lock up here. Where man look happiness again La Palpin. Happiness a hero choy kanya yeah.
And happiness tika choy lokma la balpenye choy malam kacha I think lock up here. Yeah, which one on football mero again chwako yen wa meti here. Kidong Peter okera yo tika ni we are getting confused. Which direction can we follow to get together as actually community?
No, I need to respond to this, Deben.
Yeah.
Deben, we can only find the right direction if we get to define ourselves. Machala chuli. Achula yo berangage. Achula yo beru kagamuchwin mamare wore daktiu matek chawa duchu mineno neni anyimo beru mabe. Achulu bero kaka maye mato put kila wore timo kija da kwayo kija chawa duchu. Achulu bero kaka maneno da piem makelo aloga mali tieno kien gidon kuno gi maro da woro gi chero keranyim. Ka watwero defining ourselves on that docket. Chi what me keranyim bero tie.
Okay. Last but not least, someone last time talked about Rochopajo legality. Is really Rochopajo registered as a private entity? Is it true? Then it has shares belonging to few individuals. You can't question transparency. Like Malok mo argue about happiness, about easy.
Yeah, man that mero wadok kan yang matut ba. Mero da kilo another debate.
More
Another debate. We okay yele kero in Britain. Ibi no constitution. Peke. Queen peke. Constitution pe and one thing about the way we mere constitution patuli pa queen me England peke we go running Jimmy Kero la po kira yela moy ken war at the top
happiness diri wa bibero ke Dharma Ake Rochopajo. So please tune in tomorrow Wednesday. Work ichwala penye enini atamni oloto biber karme gamane. So happiness betika wani depend your guess needs to be clear. Do you remember what Chana was elected on a temporary basis as paramount chief?
No.
You mean paramount chief comes from only one clan?
Not any happiness no be been to my page where ana dokere matut where on yang matut issues ma tie regarding lokum rodi chi where on pen ma anti katekere any ko be katekere piano do ngeyo matut pole wano kere yeso madong wa jolo me kiringa mono logo kere bero we jolo kumunye orlega pagatuli kono te umute nyopumute be dare wachi amen la bon complaining so kenen awano kar ki walogo matut ana poy
apoy lutua wano foyo won me bieno kaneno wa ki wa tiene atamne wan dire ni wan furu wabe dugo ko no watika nywa ko lo moko makilo gi Rochopajo donc an machala de ben ka chelki guess my mega Fred ngomkwe mabe en kapege mo kineno mo ka otime mabe di ben
magani
chidong be bere ro yo no magane go chidong be bere ro chidong choka winyo bene tika donga gena choka donkar bene
logo the with authority
tika lo bene ke o ruere ne kar bene no gena yes okay let me see ko waka kwa nyiga ria de money ini chwa ga kan yando uno wa chiro dano nyero sana ti we need this guy Ben mono inba he need you kidong happiness tika wani okay does paramount chief come from one clan mono anone la penye anone gamo yes or no
hey let it depend we're in the next meeting
okay
anabeter kit ma paramount chief loko chake kere kit ma trento bero ka wot kere ni o watin kabati yene chobe mi ogony madiet
okay so nyero sana wani we have a lot to ask him
I'm here
James Juba wani we are happy and God why okay we are just going Marie you can go back and then you watch right from the beginning lutua time eneni utiane waru ate ko yuba ya to wan ro fulani One bedak machol bekere. Yeah,
we are blood brothers.
Yes. So what matek ruot matek igwa wo jakamala.
Apoy to try.
Sending love to my motherland, a beautiful place in Africa.